Class 10th Geography, Chapter Climate of India. This is the second part of this chapter. The word monsoon owes its origin to an Arabic word meaning season. It was used by seamen several centuries ago to describe a system of alternating winds over the Arabian Sea. These winds appear to blow from southwest for 6 months and from northeast for another 6 months. Hence, as they reverse their direction seasonally, they are called monsoon winds and the climate as tropical monsoon type. Monsoon winds can be called land and sea breezes on a large scale, as both are caused due to differential heating of land and sea. The winds are called southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon on the basis of the direction from where they blow. Their main feature is alternation of seasons, which determines the climate of the Indian subcontinent. The four seasons. On the basis of monsoon variations, the year may be divided into four seasons. The hot dry season from March to May, the rainy season or the season of southwest monsoon from June to September, the season of retreating southwest monsoon from October to November, the cold season or the season of the northeast monsoon from December to February, the hot dry season from March to May. This season is marked by dry weather and excessive heat. In this season, the sun shines directly overhead the Tropic of Cancer. The whole of tropical India, south of Himalayas, experiences very high temperatures. The range of temperature is very high in the interior. The range of temperature is low over the coastal regions as they experience equable climate. Thunderstorms accompanied by dusty winds are common. The brief spell of showers experienced at this time is very useful for tea crop in Assam, rice in West Bengal, and mango tea and coffee in the south. Local winds during hot season. Kali Baisakhi. In West Bengal, these local winds are called Kal Baisakhi, meaning the calamity of the month of Baisakhi. They are also called nor'westers because they usually blow in northwest direction. These local winds are accompanied by thunderstorms and bring heavy rainfall. This rain in the month of April and May is good for tea crop in Assam and jute and rice in West Bengal. Loo. Loo are hot, dusty, dry winds, some of them called sandstorms, which blow particularly in the month of May and June in the northern plain. The fierce heat, with temperature rising up to 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, may cause sunstroke, which may be fatal. Mango showers. These occur in the South India during April and May. They bring a little rain, which is important for mango, tea and coffee plants, hence the name mango showers. Here ends the second part of this chapter.